Hello everyone, today we will program the smart key for 2016 Jaguar XE. We need to prepare K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, and original car key, a new smart key produced by our long store.
Plug in OBD communication cable. First select Generate Smart Key. Jaguar. Select small card 433. Place the Land Rover Jaguar Smart Key produced by our Longster. Put in the card slot. Click to generate. Generated successfully. Back to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find Jaguar. Select from vehicle. Select Jaguar's menu for 201-52018. Program Smart Key. Type 1. Write Smart Key. Click OK according to the prompts. OK. There is the original car key. Click OK. Keep the original car key close to the card slot. OK. Select key position 1. Put the key to be generated into the card slot. OK. OK. Generated successfully. No need to continue generating. Click Cancel. Programming complete. OK. Key programming successful. Now let's see if the key works. The original car key, step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key starts the car successfully. The new key hits the brake and presses the start button. The new key starts the car successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. Original car key, lock the car. Unlock. New key. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed the smart key for 2016 Jaguar XE. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more spread ahead.